Rudy plays a song, lift his spirits right up. Rudy got the juice, Rudy's not a sellout. Rudy hold his own, and Rudy harbors no doubt. Mohawk standing way up high, his style is popping, can't deny. Timeless ideals can't be wrong, and we're still singing the same songs. Rudy, Rudy, don't grow up. Rudy, Rudy, just stay young. Rudy, Rudy, don't give up. Don't give up, you're still Rudy. Don't give up, you're still Rudy. Don't give up. Don't give up. Don't give up. Don't give up, you're still Rudy.
Froggy Fresh 2024. Me and Moneymaker Mike are back up in this. I am the baddest of them all. If you ain't about money, then I don't mess with y'all. Y'all think I don't get girls, cause I ain't very tall. If she see my stacks, I'll bet you that she calls. Cause I am the baddest of them all. If you ain't about money, then I don't mess with y'all. Y'all think I don't get girls, cause I ain't very tall. If she see my stacks, I bet you that she calls. I had to fight my whole life. I could beat you up even if you had 1,000 knives. Even if you had infinity knives, I'll punch you up into the air like a kite. I bet you sleep with a nightlight, cause you're scared of the dark, cause you stink like a fart. Well, I'll light your fart on fire with my rhymes. You think I won't? I do it all the time. I bet I got more money than Jay-Z. Compared to me, Jay-Z is lazy. Plus Beyonce thinks that I'm cute. It's okay, Beyonce, I think you're cute too. You know that I am the baddest of them all. If you ain't about money, then I don't mess with y'all. Y'all think I don't get girls, cause I ain't very tall. If she see my stacks, I bet you that she calls. Yeah, I am the baddest of them all. If you ain't about money, then I don't mess with y'all. Y'all think I don't get girls, cause I ain't very tall. If she see my stacks, I bet you that she calls. I have 400 cars. I have 400 scars and 400 guitars. I have 400 houses. I have 400 mouses and 400 houses. I bet you I can dance better than you. I bet you don't know 2 plus 2 is 4. It's 4. Now go and shut the door, cause nobody wants to see your face no more. I'm tough as nails, you're slower than a snail. I beat up every single person in jail. I dare you to try and punch me. My face is so hard you'll say ouch, you crunched me. I am the baddest of them all. If you ain't about money, then I don't mess with y'all. Y'all think I don't get girls, cause I ain't very tall. If she see my stacks, I bet you that she calls. Cause I am the baddest of them all. If you ain't about money, then I don't mess with y'all. Y'all think I don't get girls, cause I ain't very tall. If she see my stacks, I bet you that she calls. Froggy Fresh and Moneymaker Mike. I already told you we back up in Sleepwalker!
Feeling out of body and somehow I can't breathe. Is this a coma or the pollen narcolepsy? In a maze that I can't get out, wandering when blueprints fade out. Stumble through the nights when I miss the mark. Acid tears leave a path of pastel scars. I'm
I lose the joy of living, would you be mine? Would you rescue me? Well, I've had love both good and bad. From all the love I've had, I've learned something, babe, something about me. There's gotta be one woman to hold on to. Baby, through the good and the bad, we all know that I'm one woman to hold on to. Maybe that woman is you. When the world turns cold and friendless, will you reach for me? 'Cause you know that I'll be there. When the tears you cry are endless, baby, don't cry, babe. You know I'll ease your pain, 'cause I've got open arms for you. My heart that's always true, loving, opened up my eyes to the one thing I need. It's got a one woman to hold on to. Baby, through the good and the bad, we all know that I need one woman to hold on to. Maybe that woman is you. Give me everything I got, baby, I'm holding on. What I am and what I'm not, baby, I'm holding on. Every breath and every thought, holding on. One woman. Cause I've got open arms for you. A heart that's always true, loving, opened up my eyes to the one thing I need. It's got a one woman to hold on to. Baby, through the good and the bad, we all know that I need one woman to hold on to. Baby, that woman is you.
I don't know where. Every time I get it got this hard. I often wonder how I got this far, and how I'm still okay. And I'm like, hey, can someone tell me when it got this hard? I often wonder how I got this far, and how I'm still okay. I've been speeding through my life way too fast, I done lost myself. And why'd I have to break down before I ask for some help? This can't be good for my health. Cause I've been thinking way too much, my brain in a scatter, and it's hard for me to concentrate about what really matters. And at a blink of an eye, the whole world can pass me by. Wish we could go back in time, back to when we were younger. We're kids full of life, just looking forward to summer. Yeah, those were the days, no price that I wouldn't pay. I'm like, hey, yeah, I'm still here and I stop asking why. I'm getting better as the time goes by. I know I'll be okay. I'm like, hey, can someone tell me when it got this hard? I often wonder how I got this far, and now I'm still okay. I'm like, hey, can someone tell me when it got this hard? I often wonder how I got this far, and now I'm still okay. How I'm still okay.
The last thing you wanna hear from me is when I think about you. It's like the truth you can't handle but just wanna disprove. It's the fine line between a choice and a force. Disguise behind my back, I pulled out the sword. I'll be putting you back where I found you. I'd be giving up too much around you. You've been out here before. You know it's funny 'cause I see right through you. Try calling out my name. Try calling out my name. And fighting fire with the pain. Will you learn to walk away? Fake friends never last long. Almost had it figured out, but she had it wrong. I thought I knew what she looked like, but I never got to see you with your mask off. So keep talking, you ain't saying shit. You walked away, that's the way it is. I know I'm better off alone, and now it's your turn to face it. I'm by myself, don't need your help. I'll get through hell without you. You know it's funny 'cause I see right through you. Try calling out my name. Try calling out my name. And fighting fire with the
Somebody come save me for. It feels like we've met before. Somebody come get her. She's dancing like a stripper. Somebody come get her. She's dancing like a stripper. Somebody come tip her. She's dancing like a stripper. Somebody come get her. She's feeling all the liquor. Chop, it's screwed up. I'm a pothead, true enough. At your ex crib and your boot up. Take it slow, baby, we no rush. Hennessy or Don Q, that's a very hard choice. For the diamonds on my pinky, need a gang of cool points. And the drop head, make them drop dead, yeah. You ain't scared, you ain't scared, you ain't scared, yeah. Believe me, I'm out you. You see me in action. I've heard a lot about you. Catch around blunts like a hot potato. And you dancing on the table, gushing like volcano. Somebody come get her, she's dancing like a stripper. Somebody come get her, she's dancing like a stripper. Somebody come tip her, she's dancing like a stripper. Somebody come get her, she's feeling all the liquor.
You got girls in here, I'm recruiting. And they fine, hop the line. I've been sipping on Patron and wine. I'm just trying to have a good fucking time. I was chilling with the open container. Grabbed her arm, told her not to be a stranger. I was blowing on the deck with my niggas. I was looking for the girls who willing. Baby girl, if you fucking with me, then we getting bags. If you smoking with me, then we on dabs. I don't fuck with local hoes, I told you that. How you moving? You deserve a couple racks.
Somebody come get her, she's dancing like a stripper. Somebody come get her, she's dancing like a stripper. Somebody come tip her, she's dancing like a stripper. Somebody come get her, she's feeling all the liquor. Honey's on your face, baby girl, come and do that little thing that you was doing. Hey, they was in this motherfucker tripping, what the hell they think we was doing? It seemed like we fucking in this club, baby girl, what they think that we doing? You getting on my nerves with them questions, girl, you know I'm trying to start a little movement. I ain't got no business fucking with you. Out the blue, you acting brand new. Washingtons mean nothing to you. Same way with us. Somebody come get her, she's dancing like a stripper. Somebody come get her, she's dancing like a stripper.